students, you see, science is all about, unraveling the mysteries of this universe. And, most of the theory that has been established is the outcome of sustained, controlled experimentation. Okay, so all of you must at least learn the basics of experimentation. Okay, so you can be benefited in many different ways in every walk of your life. Experimentation is not just for science. In our day-to-day life also, we have to conduct some experiments and then learn. Okay, but there is a way of conducting the experiments. Okay. See, now today I've just made a setup with which you can learn a lot of things. And well, today I'm going to demonstrate something, and you have to observe. See, there is a difference between seeing and observing. Okay, adana nodudu and sumna nodudu and observe. Observe ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಲಂಕುಷವಾಗಿ ನೋಡು, ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನೋಡು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು we call it as observation. So the most important thing for a science student is his capacity to observe, right? And then comes documentation, analysis, etc., etc., etc. Okay, now I will do something. You have to just tell me what is that you get out of this. Okay, ready? Hello? Yes, 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 it's good. Okay, I think you did observe this. Now, what is that you are going to? What is that you feel after looking at this experiment? ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳು, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳು, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ once again. Newton's third law. What is that? How did you see third law here?
Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. You pull the pen downwards with the pen went downwards.
No, that is not third law. That is not third law. You have not understood third law properly. Okay? See, third law. Wait. I will tell you. See, third law is one body should apply force on another body. Then another body will apply same force on the first body. That is third law. Okay? So here you see, for example, if you are on a lake, you are in a boat. Okay? So when you row the boat, that is when you pull the water with the rope, okay, you are pushing the water and the water pushes you. Therefore, your boat moves forward. Correct? So here you see, you are pushing the water, that is action. The water pushes the boat, that becomes reaction. These two are equal and opposite. This is Newton's third law. But what is Newton's third law here? Okay, this is not demonstrating Newton's third law. Every student has an opportunity. Come on, everybody answer, please. What others observed? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ತಪ್ಪು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀರಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲಾ ಅರಿವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Experiment ಇಂದನೂ ಅರಿವಾಗುದು, ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರಿವಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, through experiment only you will learn. So therefore, what did you observe? Anybody else? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇದೇನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರೆಯುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಅನುಭವ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
The object changes its position with time.
Okay, fine. That's a good observation. That's a very good observation. The object is changing position with respect to time. Excellent. Well said. Okay, what more did you understand from this experiment? Okay, you said object is moving with respect to time. Okay, right. As time is changing, the object's position is also changing. Now, what is the nature of the motion? What type of motion is that? Pardon?
Rectilinear motion.
Rectilinear motion. Good. It is rectilinear motion because it is moving in a straight line. Accepted. Again, what more can you tell me about this motion?
So uniform motion.
Good. Very good. It is uniform motion. It is uniform motion. That's what you have observed. Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Good. So you are seeing that it is uniform motion. How do you say it is uniform motion?
The object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time.
Good. But how will you ascertain that? It is moving with uniform motion. Okay. So it is moving with uniform motion. Fine. But how will you ascertain it? How will you establish it? See, you are telling the theory, that is, it covers uniform distance in equal distance in equal interval of time. Agreed. That is theory. But how will you establish it here?
Using scale and timer.
Time is moving, correct. But how will you establish? It is covering equal distance in equal intervals of time.
Scale and timer and
Madam, scale and timer ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ? Okay, fine. Good. I appreciate. Ega, what I will do is I will show you something. Then you will understand that better. This experiment. Okay, fine. Just hold on, all of you. Now, whatever experiment we conducted, that I have photographed it. You see. Now I am going to show it in. Now whatever was the experiment that I have photographed, you are seeing it. Now I am going to show the same experiment in slow motion, so that you can observe. The same experiment in slow motion. It is not moving in steps, it is moving fast only, but the camera will capture it in frames. Understand? One after the other, the camera will capture. That is why you are seeing it as if it is moving in steps. Got it? Did you see? It is moving fast only. But what I have done is, I am replaying it in slow motion. I am replaying it in slow motion. Okay? So that why I am replaying it in slow motion? Because see, while I am doing it in slow motion, the camera will capture it in frames, 1, 2, 3, 4 frames, right? And that is why you are seeing it moving in steps. Actually, it is moving fast, Zinian manner. I am showing it in slow motion because you can take down the readings, okay? And then with the help of readings, you can establish it is moving with uniform velocity. See, now what is the reading? Now what is the tip of the pen pointing to? What is this measure? It is 23.1, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you take a fresh page. You take a fresh page in your notebook. Make 2 columns. Make 2 columns to the left. You have to make 2 columns, right? Notebook ಒಳಗ 1 column ಹಿಂಗ, okay, and ಇನ್ನೊಂದು column ಹಿಂಗ, ಹಂಗಿತ್ತದ ಇದೊಂದು column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಜಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ 17.1 whatever you take, and here you take down the time, whatever is the corresponding time. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Good. Right. ಆಮೇಲೆ you make it like this. ಹಿಂಗ ರೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದೇನಾ? ಜಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜಾಗ ಐತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತುಂಬಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ 17.1 ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟ ಜಾಗ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಗ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್, ರೈಟ್? Now you see, Now, what is the reading of the pen tip? 21.8. You write in the first column, first row, 21.8. And then in the time, you write 53.50. Andra, here you have written 21.8 now?
Yes, sir.
And here you wrote 53 point something now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next reading you will bury. Okay? Hello? Hello? Quiet please. Quiet please. Now listen students. See, experiment this is what is the thing. You have to observe. See, taking down the readings itself is a knack. It's a skill. Okay? You will learn slowly how to actually manage this. Anyway, now there is technology available. I will make it easy for you. Don't worry. Now you take down the reading. Took down 21.8, 53.5. Took down. Now take down the next reading. Now take down. Now no need of shouting. I am stopping. You ತಗೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ good. One good student is showing the thumb up. Good. ಹಂಗ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು take 54.06.
Yes, sir.
23.8, 54.22. Got it? Take down. Done. Good. You ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ 25.6 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ take 26.2. $27.1, 55.51. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ $27.4, 55.59. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಲೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 55.59 ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಹಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತ?
53.50.
These are the first reading. ಹಾ, now 53 point ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತ? 54.55. ಹಾ, ಅದು 54 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಆ ಟೈಮ್?
2.09.
ಹಾ, ಅದು 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನಿಶಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟ್ರಿ? ಅನಿಶಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್.
2.09.
ಹಾ, 2.09. Okay, that is 2 seconds, 2.09 seconds. Correct? Ha. So now, then what are the first reading of the this one here? This is 21.
21.8.
Ha, 21.8. Okay. And last reading is there? Ha. So last reading minus first reading madri. Last reading minus first reading madri. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಹಲೋ. ಹಾ ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ. now what you do? now listen. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್? ಹಾ, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲಿಸನ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಹಾ, ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ನೋಡಿ. ಹಲೋ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿ. ನಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗ ಲೈನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಸಾವಕಾಶ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾ, ಬಟ್ ಬೈ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್. ಹಾ, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಹಲೋ, ನಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಹಾ, ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು, ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಕೇಳಿ. Now I am asking you some general question. See, now you can take any 3 points. Listen, now don't do anything. You see any 3 points, 1, 2, 3 points, or probably 4 points. Is there a possibility that the line is straight and it is touching 4 points? Where? Which are those? See, 4 points. Hello, through 4 points the line is straight.
Yes, sir.
Ha, through 5th point the line is straight.
No, sir. It's
Ah.
a bit distant.
Okay, up to 4 points it is straight. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. So now, what is the time corresponding to this? And what is the time corresponding to this?
So the difference between the two, the time interval is same, sir.
Hello, ಈ time you first you see there are 4 points where the line is straight line. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ, ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ? ಟೈಮ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್?
53.50.
ಗುಡ್, 53.50. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾನೀಗ ಅಜ್ಮಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು 4 ಲೈನ್ 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನದವ ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಹಾ, ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ it is straight line, correct? Ha, now 5th point. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 5th point ಏನದಲ್ಲ, 5th point ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದೆ, ಸೊಟ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೀದಾ ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗಿದೆ,
ಈ ಕಡೆ
ಹಿಂಗ ಹಿಂಗ
right side straight ಆಗಿ some straight ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, sir.
ಹಿಂಗ ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗೈತೇನ?
ಹಾ, sir.
ಹಾ, ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ that means now you see, that means now from this point to the 4th point, from this point to the 4th point, okay, it is a straight line, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Okay, wait. This is straight. Then where else will you find at least 3 points? At least 3 points are in straight line. Where else will you find? Where else will you find?
Yes, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದ ಒಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲಾರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೇನ ಬಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲದ 5th 6th 7th ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅದ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ 5th 6th 7th ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅದ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4th ಇಂದ 5th ಮಟ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ ಗುಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ 5th 6th 7th ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಷ್ಟ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದದ
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಬಂದದ ಕರ್ವ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದದು
ಕರ್ವ್ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಇದ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ವ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದದ ಹೌದಾ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಹಲೋ ಈಗ we will come back to the original question. All of you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Now when you observe the motion, you told it is moving with uniform velocity. I hope you remember.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, is it moving with uniform velocity? So now you see students, now that is what you get from experimentation. So between this point to this point, right? That is between this time interval. What is this? Between this time interval. Okay, between this time interval, the body is moving with uniform velocity. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now see here, between this point and the last and this point, you are getting this parabolic curve.
Yes, sir.
So the body is accelerating. The body is uniformly accelerating. Here it is uniform motion, or body is moving with uniform velocity. Here in this zone it is moving with uniform velocity, and between these points it is moving with uniform acceleration. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.